pipe collars. Every roof has them, but not every roof has this type of pipe collar. This is the IPS pipe collar. It's for the lifetime of the roof. You know, traditionally, we replace these 3 times on a roof because of this gasket part fails. And with this pipe collar, this gasket will not fail. That said, it's also a 4-in-1. So for what that means to us is that we can put this on a 1-inch pipe or a 4-inch pipe. And by having it to be a 4-inch pipe, this part has to be wider. So as a result, this flange is wider than most pipe collars. Another smaller pipe collars have a little bit of a smaller flange around it. It's nice to have this larger flange because it pushes the chances of water getting in through and around here is harder because it's farther away from the pipe. And so every roof that we install has an IPS pipe collar. The reason is because we never want to come onto your roof again and replace this. This will outlast or last the entire time of your roof. So if we build a roof and we say it has a limited lifetime warranty, it's because we know that this product is not going to be an issue for us. So IPS pipe collars, if you hire us, this goes on your roof.